Open the door! No! I'm gonna tase you if you don't get away from the door! You're hurting me! Go on the ground! Put it on the ground! What did you do that? No! Get on the ground!
April 27, 2023, Kansas City, Kansas. Officers responded to a hotel after a caller reported a woman screaming and begging for her life. The suspect was charged with false imprisonment, aggravated assault by strangulation, and resisting arrest.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah. Can't say anything.
You're in a fight?
No.
Oh, I asked if you heard anything.
Oh, I think you said, am I ready?
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't hear the air conditioner. It's the police. Open the door! Hey, we're kicking the door in. Kick it.
He's lying. He is lying. He was
We need tools to kick this door in. We have a sergeant nearby. Open the door! No! We need maintenance. Female screaming for help. Units FD.
I copy FD.
Open the door! No! 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 No!
Where's he?
No!
He's right there.
I'm gonna tase you if you don't get away from the door! You're hurting me!
What's his back?
You're hurting me, please! Ow! Ow!
Go on the ground!
Put it on the ground! What did you do that? Please! Go on the ground! Tase him, Scott! No! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Why are you doing that? Please stop! Please stop! Stop! Stop resisting! Please stop! Stop resisting! Help! 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 Please stop! Please! Stop! Why are you doing this to me?
Give us your hands.
You got it! You're killing me!
Hands.
All right, help me! Stop moving! Put your hand behind your back! Here, help me! Do it! Oh, Julia, please! Why? Why, Julia? Please.
Look for it. Every time, Scott. Every time. You okay? I got the fire department coming to check you. Okay?
Please help me. He fucking broke my
No, I did. I didn't break your arm.
Female. Supervisor probably.
Get over here! Ow!
Put your hands, put your feet behind your back.
Please help me!
Put your feet behind your back.
I can't breathe. Please have some water, please. Please have some water. Please. Please have some water, sir.
Check on her. And we're going to put him against this right here. Actually, we're going to sit him up and put him against this wall. Here, move all those tools out of the way.
Please have some water.
When the fire department gets here, they'll evaluate that.
Please, sir, it's right there.
Okay.
It's right there.
Set him up.
Ow! Ow! Oh, God, it's here. Ow! Ow! It's it!
Set up, dude.
I can't!
Set up.
Ow!
Set him up against the
Ow! Ow!
wall. Keep him right there. Ma'am, you're like,
Please.
yeah, come on. Is this your arm that's broken?
I don't know if it's broken.
Okay, you want to hold me? We're going to get you outside, okay? You need to hold me or anything to get out?
Relax. Slow down. Slow, deep breath.
Watch out.
Slow, deep breath.
Please, I got brother.
He took my cell phone and everything
Slow,
from
deep
me.
breath.
Please.
He took my cell phone and everything from me.
Please, sir.
All right, here, come here. Come to the side, okay? He's going to grab a chair for you. You sit down. And just go a little further.
Fire department's coming. I'm breathing right now.
Please, it's right there.
Here, come on. I'm going to grab her name and go. What's your birthday?
I'm sorry, sir. Please. Please, sir. I can't. Please, this is 3 grams of the floor.
Yeah.
Please have a drink, please.
I think she might have a broken arm.
No,
She's a female.
no, she doesn't have a broken arm.
Are you on drugs?
No,
Why are you sweating so much?
he does that.
Okay, the heat's not on here. It's just hot.
Boy, that's what
So he's also on some kind of narcotic. So
What? Can I please have that body armor right here, please?
you're not going to have body armor.
Okay, sorry. Can I have some tap water?
The fire department's on their way. They're going to help you out with whatever you need. Okay. You should have just had a conversation with us like a normal adult
I
instead of screaming and locking the door and her screaming that you're going to try to kill her. And
I wasn't trying to
well, that's what people said.
No, I
Got
wasn't.
something sharp over there, okay? Also, hold on. Watch him just for a second.
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, Clark, do me a favor. Unfortunately, the anonymous complaint isn't going to be anonymous in this one. It's next door.
Okay.
You want to just go get everybody's information? And he said he was trying to so written statements and stuff like that.
All right.
Are you kidding me?
So, what happened?
She was cheating on me. She lied to me several times.
All right. Let me go talk to her real quick. I'll be back with you, okay? What happened, ma'am? Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened?
It's just, I don't know what it is he's smoking, but
Was it
it's,
some kind of drug or something?
and it's the second night on a row, so I already find another apartment.
It sounded like you said, help us, he's trying to. Is that what you said?
Yes,
Okay.
because he was throwing me like a frisbee around him.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure that,
Yes. I'm afraid for my life,
Okay.
and I tried to knock on a door to the neighbors, so they maybe call cops for me, because he took my phone from me.
Okay. I'm gonna have you.
He beat me up, said that he
Are
had a
you-
head on a wall.
How did he do all that? He just threw you around the apartment, or what? What did the whole thing start over? Why did the whole altercation start?
He said I'm cheating on him, but I was at work. I run my own business.
Okay. And then so you got home and you guys started arguing, or?
Yeah, we started arguing, so he was beating me. Then I guess he was tired. I was waiting till he fell asleep to sneak in.
Okay.
I tried to sneak in, and he grabbed me by the hair.
And pulled you in.
Yeah, so I
Okay,
cannot
so he
leave.
kicked you out of the apartment?
No, he didn't let me leave.
Okay, so you waited for him to go to sleep and then you tried to leave. And then when you tried to leave, he woke up, he grabbed your hair and then started... Was he punching you in the face or where was he hitting you at?
You could take a pictures later.
Well, I don't... When everything's over here, we can go to a private area. I don't know if we have a female officer available, but if we do, I'll have her take photos of you. Otherwise, it'll probably be me in a fire department, a lady taking photos of you, okay? Just so you're comfortable though. I don't know if it's, I think it might be a broken arm. He was grabbing her and throwing her around the ground.
Hi. Can I see it? Can I take this jacket off?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, let's keep that on the down low.
Yeah. So you heard it though?
What?
You heard where they both.
Yeah. 503 or 602 Walkerton.
So I just don't want him to know where she's going.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Understood.
Where's he going to go?
Well, also the reason why Mr. Smiley did.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second.
The reason why Mr. Smiley did what he did was to keep him from taking it to our dental.
Okay.
And then put her over there.
For units on scene, we need people to move some of their cars so these ambulances can get out of the parking lot.
Oh! Oh God! Oh! Against the wall. Oh! Oh! God damn, that hurts. You guys lift your shirt. Oh! Oh! Oh God, right there. Oh! Oh God! Oh! What is that right there, man? Is it? I don't know what it is, but that whatever it is. Yeah, can I turn him around?
All right, turn around.
Reverse that, please.
Not right now.
Okay, can you grab my wallet and my ID and stuff?
We'll take it.
I'll get all that stuff. I need my keys too, my car keys. She's got a room key too. She's not on the room. She's not on the room.
Please, I gotta have my keys. We'll take care of it, man. Just do what we're asking you to do right now. Where's he going?
Where's the center?
Stop.
Down,
walk. Come on.
I need my car keys, man.
Well, we're getting it. We're bringing it.
I don't have any numbers later. I'm begging you, man. Where were you born?
Georgia.
Georgia?
Yeah.
Oh. Man.
Hold on. Please. Just sit down. Just sit down.
You guys got 2 vests and do 1 arm there and 1 leg or whatever you guys want to do.
Yeah. So, are you riding with him or what's the deal?
I can ride with him.
Perfect. How do you want them cuffed up? Like I said, usually best just on the side.
Yeah, we're just going to do the one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're not going to fight us anymore, right?
I know you advised the 10 pairs advising the decal expired on the 28th of March.
Let's grab that up.
Go ahead and speak all the way over.
You can go to the butt.
All the way over. Keep going. Keep scooting.
One more.
Oh, God. Usually comes from food. Where do you want to go here?
Yeah, you go here.
Put your feet down.
Okay.
Can y'all please lock my room, man? You have to keep it. It's not a gift. I don't guess it.
Look, all that's being taken care of, Jason.
I forget it, man. I'm sorry. I need my car keys ready. I'm sorry, man.
We'll be right behind you guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Copy that? We're going to follow.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm comfortable with it. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we're going to be right behind you, man. Like flies and shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All he has to do is flip his lights on. They'll probably still beat you in here while it's moving.
Alright.
Okay.
All right.
Fourth Amendment baseline. Hotel rooms carry the same constitutional protection as a private home. Stoner v. California, 376 USS. 483, 1,964. Warrantless entry is presumptively unreasonable and requires a recognized constitutional exception. Emergency aid exception. Brigham City v. Stuart, 547 U.S. 398, 2006. Officers may enter without a warrant when there is an objectively reasonable basis to believe someone inside faces imminent serious injury. United States v. Najar, 451 F3D 710. 10th Circuit, 2006. Controlling authority in Kansas requires two elements: reasonable belief that someone needs immediate assistance, and that the scope of entry does not exceed that emergency need. Both elements were satisfied. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386. 1,989. Force must be objectively reasonable based on three factors: severity of the underlying crime, immediate threat posed by the suspect, and whether the suspect is actively resisting. All three factors supported the force used here. Criminal restraint. Kansas Statute 21-5000. 412. A person commits criminal restraint by knowingly restraining another to substantially interfere with their liberty. Elements present: phone confiscated to prevent calls, escape physically blocked, life threatened, aggravated battery by strangulation. Kansas Statute 21-5000. 413. Subsection B1. Defined as bodily harm inflicted in a manner calculated to cause great bodily harm or death. Strangulation satisfies this standard. Medical research confirms risk of fatal delayed injury even when no visible external marks are present at the scene. Domestic violence enhancement. Kansas Statute 21-5000. 201. Applies when violence occurs between intimate partners. Triggers elevated charging authority, mandatory bond review, and enhanced prosecutorial discretion. Procedural requirements. Knock and announce doctrine. Wilson v. Arkansas, 514 U.S. 927. 1,995. Officers must announce identity and purpose before forcing entry. Search incident to lawful arrest. Schimmel v. California, 395 U.S. 752. 1,969. Once a lawful arrest is made, no additional warrant is required to search the person arrested. Lessons learned. The emergency aid exception requires documented objective facts, not subjective suspicion alone. Officers must preserve and articulate the specific circumstances justifying warrantless entry. Strangulation injuries demand immediate medical documentation regardless of visible external trauma. Contemporaneous victim statements secured independently from the suspect are among the strongest evidence available in domestic violence prosecution. 3 charges, 3 statutes, 3 constitutional principles. K.S.A. 21-5000, 412, K.S.A. 21-5000, 413, and resisting arrest. The legal framework governing this emergency response is firmly established under both federal constitutional law and Kansas state statute.